current AI tools tier list. Current working AI tools tier list. Move this image. I don't like it. Small developer. Did we end up using this? I don't think I actually ended up using this, so I can't give it an honest review. Did I use it? I don't think so. I just looked at the demos. Oh, you can deploy agent with E to B? Yo! Hold on, let me try this. I don't know, is small developer like you can run it on the cloud now? Get your own AI developer that's powered by small developer AI agent. You specify the instructions and let the small developer do the work. I'm gonna try this out, guys. Deploy small developer. Okay, create a new repository. We need permissions. Okay, that's fine. Have my permission. Okay, I'm gonna create it. I'm gonna create a new repository for it. I don't feel safe giving it permissions to my whole thing. E2B test. Make it public. B test. Oh, gotta verify. 1 second. Actually, if I do this, yeah, okay, yeah. Just give me a sec. I need to verify this GitHub thing. E2B test. Yes. Okay. Create a website using Next.js. Yeah, let's just do something really simple. Create. I want something working. Just so I want to give this a good review. I want to do the same test that almost worked with GPT Engineer. Create a website using Next.js as a button in the middle of the page that, when clicked, toggles the background color from red and white. Deploy on E2B. Awesome. Let's try this out. This looks cool. Yes, I saw E2B a while ago, but it wasn't public yet, but it looks like it's public now. And it hasn't even asked for my OpenAI API key, so it could actually use GPT-4, which is very exciting. It's cloned the repository. It's called OpenAI with the prompt. Very cool stuff. Can we check it out? Oh, this is the prompt. You're an AI developer who's trying to write a program and generate code. Given the intent, complete the thing. Here's the content. Now it's done a new prompt. The app is this. The files we have decided to generate are this. Okay, that's not Next.js, but that's fine. Oh no, it is. Oh shit. Okay. Saved file. Toggle button. Wow, this is an actual React file. Okay, great. Saved another file. What file is this? Home. Okay, this looks really good. Oh, it's finished. It's pushed it to the repository. Wow. All right, let's have a look at the repository. There's only a README file. Oh no, there's another branch. This branch. Website. Okay. Okay. Okay, is that it? So this is finished. Okay, so let's give this a go. Can I just download this? Or do I have to clone it? Hold on. Hold the phone. Might have to clone it. That's fine. I will clone it. Um, Git clone. Okay, git check out. What was the branch code? Why is it called such a weird branch? PR/small dev/. Oh, because it makes a pull request. Okay. Oh, that's really cool. That's actually the best. That's actually what you want. You don't want it to push directly to main. You want it to make a pull request. And then you can review the pull request, see what files it's changed. Awesome. Very simple. Very simple. I wonder if it'll work. I wish these things had alright, I'm gonna merge a pull request. I wish they had, what's it called? Like a way to give feedback. But it doesn't look like this one does. It's more like a boilerplate thing as well. Yeah, it's just like a boilerplate, like like there's no way to run this. I see the into website, but I can't go npm run start. Like they haven't initialized the npm files. I can't go yarn. They haven't initialized any. You know what I mean? Like it's just boilerplate code. Unfortunately, but this is very cool. I want to give it another test. I want to give it another test. I want to say do the same thing but without Next.js, pretty much. Can I do that? Can I do that? Make a website, make a static web file that has a button in the middle of the screen that toggles the background color from red to white. Let's try that again. I wonder what it'll do with the existing files as well. Whether it reads the repository as well. I don't know. We'll see. It was pretty fast last time, so um but so far it's really interesting if it can read the repository. I don't think it does, but in the future it would be able to. That way, if it can actually modify an existing repository, that would be amazing. And make a pull request modifying files. That is super useful. That is, and it's open source, so we could definitely get it to do that. Okay, it's finished. Let's have a look at the pull requests. Build a static web file. It's made 7 files. Oh, it's removed all the other Next.js stuff, which is fine by me. And it's actually created this static file. Excellent. Wait, did I merge it? No, I just reviewed it. Whoops. Can I merge, please? Merge pull request. Okay. I've merged it. Now I can git pull and deletion failed. Oh, it's because I'm in the folder. Okay. And now let's try open this index.html. Will it work? Nope, it's just a blank file again. Why? I feel like the git pull didn't work. Oh, yeah, it didn't pull properly. Hold on. Delete everything. Wait, why didn't it get reset work? Get diff. Get reset hard? No? It thinks I have a change with the index. Please move. I'm gonna remove this index file. Okay, excellent. Yeah, sweet. Now we have the script and the index file. Wow, look, we have a red background and a button. Moment of truth again. I'm gonna press the button. Will it work? Yes! Yo, okay. Small dev S tier confirmed. That is awesome. I'm really happy with that. Small dev or E to B. I don't know. I feel like they're the same kind of. They have an alliance at least. E2B.dev. E2B.dev. We launched small developer on E2B. Dude, this is S tier. E2B. It's S tier for one reason for most people is it gives you GPT-4 for free, probably. The code, like GPT-4, it reads your repo. Well, I don't think it reads your repo actually, but it submits a pull request. S or A tier. I'm gonna put it in S tier. I might move it later, but that really impressed me. So yeah. E to B, S tier. Good shit, E to B. And they're just gonna keep getting better for sure. I reckon they'll definitely have the ability to modify a repository in the future. It just seems like such an obvious thing. So yeah, really impressed by that. Yeah, it's E to B. Okay, what's next? Skipit.ai. Skipit's really good. So Skipit is something that you can use to let me close all this to like give you a summary, and it takes like videos, PDFs, websites, articles, and gives you a summary of the whole thing. It's really cool. Um, I'll definitely give it like at least a B tier. Let's see, what are the options again? B or A? It's at least B. Um, B or A? I'm gonna go A tier because it can do PDFs and YouTube as well. So it's like, yeah, it's a good tool. Definitely A tier. You reckon C or B? Have you used it? Like, it's not amazing, but it actually delivers on what it promises. That's why I rate it so highly. Whereas with AI Agent and WebTool, it's like they promise a bit more than they actually deliver. So that's why, like, I definitely wouldn't give them a B. Whereas Skip It, does what it says it does pretty well. So yeah. Lango Talk. Lango Talk I really like. Lango Talk is um, a web app where you can learn languages using AI. You can chat to people. You chat to these AI bots, and there's also lessons, drills, and many different cool ways that you can learn a language. I definitely give this a tier as well. I'm gonna take that screenshot again. Too much white space. What's next? UI design AI. I don't think this actually ended up working for me. Let's check it again. This is cool. So I get to check some apps that I've tried to use before that didn't work. Yeah, this is on a wait list. So, but also says download Figma plugin. That mean it works? Let's try this out. I don't know. In um, did it work? Hold on. Try it out. Okay. Well, what did I do? Do all this. All right, let's try this one more time. Okay, run. Um, here. Oh, sweet. Oh, you need a security code. Come on. I'm gonna get code. Get Figma access code. Oh, you gotta pay $10 a month. I'm sorry. I'm not ready to do that. That's probably why I don't remember using it, cause I didn't. Okay, what's next? Crisp AI. Yes, I really like Crisp AI. I'll probably give that an A tier as well. Crisp AI can live make your mic quality better, removes background noise. It also can provide transcripts of like meetings and stuff or just your podcast. It can separate between different speakers. I feel like I might need to balance this out. I feel like I'm only doing like 2 tiers. But I don't feel like justice giving these B tier. I feel like these are like good, like A tier good. Like for what they do, there's nothing that really compares to Crisp AI, Lango Talk. Maybe there's stuff that compares to Skip It, but I haven't used it. Do the Thing AI. I haven't actually used this one yet. Should we try it? Might as well try it. Someone actually wanted me to try this one, so let's try it. So Do the Thing AI, it lets you deploy an agent that can act as like a software engineer. And look, this one actually gets them to deploy stuff. So I don't know how this works, and I was a bit skeptical. That's like one of the reasons why I didn't try it. So, but here we are. Let's try it. I can try it. I could be harsh. We can give our first D tier. We could give our first if it's a D tier. AI assistant, App Store, drag and drop, GPT for all day. Excellent. What do I want to do? What are some examples? Achieve Spanish conversation. Start my first business. Boost engagement. Fire messages. Can it do coding? Can it like integrate Google Analytics into my website? I doubt it'll be able to do this. But let's just see. Let's see what it does. I don't know what kind of like realistic stuff I could give it. A new tab while that one. Oh man. First you need to have a Google Analytics account. If you don't have one, after you set up your account, you do this, do this, do this, do this. Okay, this is pretty much just like ChatGPT, but when it actually do the stuff. It's called Do the Thing, not tell me how to do the thing. Oh, I'm keen to give this a D tier, guys. I'm keen to give this a D tier. I'm gonna literally tell it to do it after it gives me this message. All right, let's just try one of their examples. None of these are do the thing. Like, Oh, develop and deploy a SaaS application in React. Hmm. Let's get it to deploy a SaaS. All right, let's just get it. Let's just do their example. Deploy the SaaS application. See what it does. And then for here, I'll just be like, do it and see what that does. Sorry for the confusion, but as an AI text model, I can't do shit. But you can't do the thing. Why can't you do the thing? Okay. This one says it can deploy. Do it. 4 weeks? It takes 4 weeks for it to do this thing? How do you even get it to start? It just has a plan. Start. It's just gonna tell me to do the thing. Alright, this is definitely getting a D tier, guys. I knew it. This is why I didn't sign up. When something like promises to be too good to be true, you can tell. You can tell that it belongs in D tier. Get your ass in D tier, boy. Okay. They need to be more reasonable. Give like an actual, like, like an actual explanation of what to expect. Literally, look at their website. This is, I don't know, sorry, I'm going on a rant here, but they're like, look at this. I want to create this. Okay, I'm creating those now. I've created these instances on Postgres and they're accessible here. Like, what? No. And then this one says it's handled Slack DMs. I don't know. Maybe you can do that. That seems reasonable. Like, you can connect it to apps. Oh, actually, maybe I'm too harsh. We haven't connected it to any of the apps. Let's give it one more go. How do we connect these apps? Files? Coming soon. Yeah, no, this is bullshit. They just promise shit that it can't do. It belongs in D tier. Oh, apps. Here we go. Apps. Okay, sweet. Look, here we go. Azure. That can be used to deploy stuff. Versal. That can be used to do. Okay, let's do Versal. Integration coming soon. Yeah. Okay, so it only has Monday. It belongs in D tier. What's next? ChatGPT plugins. I don't think that's like one tool, so Stashpad, I haven't done that. Stayed mobile app. That was I didn't really use that properly. Fenaki text to video. I don't remember what that one was. Oh, that was, yeah, they didn't have a demo. Gamma.app. Oh, Gamma.app's pretty good. That's a B tier. That's a B tier for sure. Yeah, where's their logo? Where's their homepage? They don't really have a homepage once you're signed in. Hey. Gamma.app. So you just go incognito and then you can see their homepage. So Gamma's the one that you can make presentations. They look pretty good, but it's... Oh, fuck, I'm like tempted to give it an A tier, but I feel like we need something in B tier. King Nick asks, what's E to B? So E to B is... they just released this thing with small devs that you can... It's like an agent that actually writes code for you and can like... Yeah, writes code. I don't know if you've seen my page. I've reviewed many other products that promise this. Like just the other day I did GPT Engineer, which promised this, but like I never actually got anything working. And I think the main reason for that is because of my API key. I can only use GPT 3.5. But with E2B, they actually don't even need your API key for free. They use GPT-4 in the backend and they write the code with GPT-4. And I was actually able to make a successful website off a prompt using their agent. I'll make a video on it eventually, but yeah, it was super good. So it's S tier for me. It blew me away. Yeah, crazy. I know. I was really impressed with it. Framer.com. That one was pretty cool. So Framer makes websites. I'll probably give that a B tier. We went prompt to website with Framer the other day. It's probably B tier. Let me get a photo of it. Framer. Bardeen. I'd say Bardeen is borderline B and C. Honestly, I feel like moving these down. I feel like Bardeen needs to be C, and these are kind of D. Actually, I feel bad for AI Agent. They promised a lot that wasn't ready yet. I don't know if they have released their thing they promised. This one. This like kind of drag stuff wasn't working before. But oh shit, it might be working now. Hold on, let me quickly look at their website. Blah blah blah. How does it work? Breakdown. Crystal clear code. Change log. Testimonials. Call to action. No, it still isn't. Oh, coming soon. Yeah, no, okay. Yeah, it was still kind of meh. Bardeen, it was pretty nicely a nice way to set up a kind of scraper. So I think that's a good C tier. But like, it wasn't like impressive with the AI, but yeah, that's why I'm giving it a C. Like, it's a good tool, but the AI aspect of it wasn't amazing. Like, I wasn't really able to do much with a prompt, but I think it's gonna be there. What are these tiers depicting? Like, how impressed I was by these AI tools, I guess. These icons don't really mean shit. I guess we could remove them. More space for more tools in the future, potentially. Page 2. No, thank you. Okay. Got it. Why S? I can understand. Um when it's just like a general convention for tier lists. I don't know. I feel like it's something to do with Japanese, but S is like super tier. It's like above A. It's like special or something. Let's Google it for you. S tier is special or super. It's from the Japanese word exemplary. Yeah. It's just like it's super. It's like above A. It's like special. No, no, no. Feel free to ask any questions, guys. I appreciate it. Don't be sorry, Tiggy. GPT engineer. Um so I kind of want to give this above a D. I think I want to give this a C just because it's open source. So it's like, it's 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 less like I don't know, how do I explain this? Like when you have a product sold to you that's closed source and it underperforms, it leaves you with a worse feeling than if it's open source and it underperforms. If that makes sense. That's why, like, if GPT Engineer was, it's very similar to like AI Agent, right? They both promise very similar things. Um, but because GPT Engineer is open source, I'm like a bit easier on it. It's like more impressive, I guess. Zapier, I don't feel right commenting on that because I haven't really used it properly. Um, AI Writer.fi. Did we just test that? I can't even remember what that was. Oh no, we didn't. We didn't end up testing it. Recraft AI. That one actually really impressed me. I might put that in A tier as well. I liked it. Recraft AI helps you create vector images and 3D images, and they have a really nice tool like being able to, you know, modify and extend, change the color palette, and it was all for free, which is very good. I really like that aspect of it. Let me take that screenshot again. There's some weird blackness. So yeah, Recraft AI A tier leaves us with Idamu AI. I think this is the video creation one. This one was very good. I'll probably give that. Oh, I put that in B A tier. This one's probably. This one's probably like B tier, B C. Yeah, B. I think B is reasonable for it. Um, Super AGI. Which one was this? Oh yeah, this one. This is like similar to AI Agent. Um, it's like slightly better. Tempted to put it in B tier. They did have a cloud, but they still made me use my own API key. I really like their user interface. Oh, it's open source? Okay, if it's open source, I'll probably put it in. Yeah, I'll put it in C tier. D tier. Same reason GPT Engineer is there. It's very similar. In fact, it's like more. It's probably better than GPT Engineer, to be honest, for an end user. Forge AI. Which one was this? I feel like we did this just today. Oh yeah, this one was awesome. This is definitely like at least B tier. I wish they had a better logo with their name in it. Really. Um, this is. I want to give this A tier. I was really impressed by it. I'll add the text as well. So the Forge AI. That was their URL, right? TheForgeAI.com. TheForgeAI.com. So it's orange. Now it needs to be red. Red. Okay. What do we have left? That's it. Okay, this is my end tier list. John Power says E2B is awesome. It's building me Django website right now for a portfolio I can use to land jobs. Awesome. Yep, there's a reason E2B is S tier. So these are the end tier list that I have from what I had in this list. I think I am definitely missing some tools that I've tried, but this is probably the bulk of it. So how can I share this list? Share. People with access can edit. Only you can. Anyone with the link can access. Excellent. I'll put this in my link tree. Discord? Yeah, I could put it in my Discord too, for sure. AI tools tier list. AI tools tier list. Oh, whoops. Add AI tools tier list. Okay. Should we add an icon? Thumbnail. Choose from list. Should I remove the Dora AI referral link or leave it there? Probably leave it there. I'll probably just move the tier list like here. Discord. Cool. All right. No worries, John Power. That's that. Did I have anything else? Ooh, we have probably John Power in the chat. You can just view that, right? You don't have, you can't, let me check, make sure that you can't edit it. What? You can edit it? Ah, what? No. No, that. Oh, anyone with link can view. Okay. Or can comment. Why not? Let's try that again. Incognito. Yeah. Awesome, guys. If you have any more tools you want me to check out, please feel free to message me on Discord or TikTok or whatever. Yeah, I just turned off the editing. Didn't want people, messing with the results. But yeah, it's the final current working AI tools tier list. I don't think I had anything else on my stream to do. Oh, Perplexity AI? I kind of want to check that out. I feel like that would be at least B tier. I've heard really good things about it. Let's check that out. No worries, John. I also noticed that like I haven't put the full like some of these don't have the like URL, but I think they'll be easy to find. You just Google the name, and they should be. And you just match the logo. Okay. So Perplexity AI apparently helps you do research. So yeah, let me sign up with Google. TechFern. TechFern. Okay. So I want to do some research on Noopept. Noopept or some kind of drug. D How to naturally. So I've been taking this drug or supplement. I feel like drug sounds like a bad word. Called NMN, which has like anti-aging properties because it boosts this thing called NAD in your body, and NAD um, helps your body essentially like recover and like yeah, like live longer. So I want to see how to naturally boost NAD levels in the body. And I don't know what Copilot does or focus. Oh yeah, so you can pick a focus. And I want academic papers. So I want like actual science. Help me research this. Let's see what happens. I've turned on this Copilot thing, which I think will help me write a better prompt, I assume. We'll see. So it's searching Scholar. It's considering 31 sources. I think there's like better ways you can prompt this, but we'll just see what happens. Yeah, David Sinclair, definitely. That's who I actually was introduced to NMN by. So he takes 1 gram of NMN every day, which is quite a lot, and it's expensive. I typically try to do things naturally if I can, but yeah, so that's why I'm searching this. Like, if there's a better way I can increase energy um, naturally. So they say exercise. Studies have shown that exercise can increase NAD levels in the body, and it gives you like sites, like actual, like so. Number 3. If we click 3, it'll give me a paper of actual science, academic paper of how cardiac function or exercise can increase NAD levels. So I previously thought that taking NMN was the only way to increase NAD, but there's this way: fasting, exercise, nicotine riboside, which I think would NMN. Oh, it's like NMN's another one. Vitamin B3, chicken, turkey, tuna, salmon, mushrooms. Type tryptophan. Yeah, so this is a cool way to do research. I haven't found a good way. Like, there's other ways you can prompt it. Oh, we can go like, what is NAD and why is it important for the body? It's just like a very easier way to do research, and you can get it to actually use science, like quote scientific papers. No worries, John. Thanks for dropping by. Okay, so this is where Copilot came in. It's asking me like follow up questions, which is cool. There's another question I have, which I probably should have asked before. So NAD is important for maintaining mitochondrial function, for energy production. How does taking NMN compare to exercise and caloric restriction in resulting levels of NAD in the body? That's a question I have. Like, do I have to take this drug, or is exercising enough for the resulting levels in NAD? Like, I don't want to read the whole scientific paper. Like, if Perplexity can figure this out for me, I'll be very impressed, and I'll give it an A tier. Otherwise, it's probably going to be B tier. I feel like there's more you can do with it, and I'm not utilizing it till its full potential. But we'll see what the answer is here. Based on the search results, there's limited research comparing NMN to exercise. However, studies have shown NMN can increase NAD. Exercise can increase NAD, and it can increase NAD. Proper anti-aging. It is important to note that the effects of NAD supplementation in humans must be much more subtle. It says limited research, and no research comparing them directly. I was wondering, okay, like if I have a look personally, we can compare the which one? The NMN results. See if we see levels. Do they give a number? Lower levels. No. Oh wait. Oh, here we go. 10 nanomoles per something to. Yeah, see, this is just too much like for me to figure out quickly, and I was hoping the Perplexity could do it fast. But I guess it's not that good. But still like pretty good for research. I'll give it a B tier. It I feel like it does some stuff pretty well. Perplexity AI. All right.